Welcome to the world of Grow a Garden on Roblox, where you can nurture plants from tiny seeds. On August 2nd, 2025, a special trading and cooking event was introduced, adding a tasty twist to the game. The goal? Cook delicious recipes and feed them to crispy bacon to earn amazing rewards. First up, soup. You can use any fruits or veggies that aren't needed for other special recipes. For pies, get creative with corn, pumpkin, apple, and even coconut. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Sandwiches call for ingredients like tomato, corn, and bone blossom. Mix and match for the ultimate sandwich. Cakes are where you can really boost your rewards. Try pumpkin, pinecone, corn, apple, or many other combos for maximum points. And that's not all. There are also recipes for burgers, hot dogs, waffles, salads, sushi, ice cream, donuts, and even pizza. Get cooking!